Let's see. Something very easy. What's 6 plus 6?
11.
Okay. Three things you would never say no to.
Friends, food, vacations.
All right. Whiskey or fruit juice?
Whiskey.
Okay. Who was the hero in Bahubali?
Samantha.
What's the color of your dress?
Black.
Wow. Okay. Have you ever played this game before?
Yeah.
Okay. In which city do you live in?
Bombay.
Ever kissed a boy?
Yeah.
Okay. Name one Salman Khan's movie.
Bindas.
Okay. What's the capital of India?
Kathmandu.
Okay. Ever cheated on someone in a relationship?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that's it. That was really fun. Thank you. Okay.
Okay, but you gotta make sure they realize that it's rapid liar.
Rapid liar.
Rapid liar, right? Rapid liar.
As you said, you have a lot of projects coming up in the future, right? So I would like to ask a few questions related to your career. So what would you do if you were not working in movies?
Honestly, that's what I ask myself every day.
Okay. So did you ever think about it?
I am a pretty mediocre student. I mean, like, I used to not fail. At the same time, I used to not get like 90s and thing. But I used to be a pretty medium. I can paint.
Really? Wow.
Yeah, I think.
So you wanted to be an artist?
Yep.
Okay, nice. Okay, which directors you would love to work with?
Puri Jagannath garu, Trivikram garu, Rajmouli garu, and Arun Bhaskar garu.
Okay.
And I honestly want to work with the upcoming ones. So like, because there would be that certain ease between us.
Yeah.
And like, they would also be striving.
Exactly.
Like, I would also be striving. So like, I think that would be a perfect match.
Okay. What are your 3 favorite hobbies that you love to do?
Gym, maybe.
Okay.
I like to dance. And I like to play cricket. I love to play sports.
Sports.
Love
Cricket. Okay.
Painting, I only paint when I feel sad. So that's like once a month. Yeah, kind of my therapy. Yeah.
Okay, so let's say you got the opportunity to select your movie crew. So who would you like to work with? The director, the female co-star, the other people in the movie, the whole set. Who would you like to work with?
Honestly, I can't like point out names, but they should be talent. That's what's enough.
Okay.
I mean, even though they're new, they should have that thing in them to bring out something good.
But is there someone that you would really like to work with?
I would love to work with Puri Jagannath garu.
And what about a female co-star?
It's nothing like that. That's not in our hands.
Really? But no, like who would you like to work with?
Kiara Advani.
Okay, nice. All right, so a very cliche question, but I would really like to know. So where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Honestly, if I make things right, if I do the right things, I would see myself as a good actor. That's honestly what I want to be. It's like my dad.
Yeah.
I don't want to be a star. I just want to be a good actor. I mean, like, I should be fluent in whatever I'm doing. Whatever character I am playing, I should like get into it.
Exactly.
And I
Yeah.
have to work hard for that. And if I do it right, yeah, I just want to be a good actor.
That's
all I want.
nice. So, would you like to act as a lead role if they ever make a biopic on your dad?
Honestly, a biopic on my dad, my brother would be suited more for that than me.
Okay.
Because he's got the looks, he's got that body.
Okay.
So yeah, he would probably do it. I'd probably do the younger version.
Younger version. Oh,
You can do
nice.
that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, I would like to ask you a very serious question right now. Given the current circumstances that is happening right now and whatever, like a lot of people are talking about this. So I would like to know your personal view. What change do you think you would like to see in the industry right now? Is there something you want to change or something you dislike?
I honestly don't think I have the experience nor the age to talk about it. But honestly, our industry has been very encouraging compared to the other industries. So I just feel everybody has to work hard to be in a position they're in and not take things for granted.
Okay.
I'm not saying anyone is, but to the future generations coming from the future things, they should be suited for what they're doing.
So do you think no matter who the actor is, he or she has to go through the same process of selection process, audition process, no matter what their background is? Do you think everyone should go through the same process?
I mean, that's how they know if they're up for the role or no.
Yeah.
It is. I mean, like, it can't be one thing for the other actor and the other person can't just straight up walk into the set stage
Exactly,
because
yeah.
he's coming from a background. I mean, everybody I knew has worked hard. Even though they're coming from a star background, they've been working really hard since their childhood. I mean, like, even the people from Megastar Jaru's family, there's a shed. I used to go to this doctor. So right next to that there'll be the shed. Even though it's really easy for them to come and they come and they practice at least for like 3 to 4 hours. So I just hope people who are coming are fully prepared for what they're getting into.
Okay. So were you also kind of nervous when you were starting off, because you came from the film background obviously, and a lot of people will maybe judge you that it might have been easier for you to come compared to others. So did you get any negative responses and how did you deal with it?
Honestly, I've got zero negative responses, and even though before I started filming, I made sure I was up for it.
Okay.
So we started filming in June, and I was practicing since November.
Okay.
So it's like three months of workshop. I had to get into the character. I had to learn how to drive. And I just made sure I was ready for it. I mean, obviously, it's not my money I'm putting at risk. It's the producer's money.
So you went through the same process, all the hard work. That's really nice. Yeah. All right. So do you have any friends from the industry, and what are the personal experiences with them?
Honestly, from the industry, there are very few people I talk to. I mean, Rahul is a cousin of mine, and recently I've been spending a lot of time with Akash. So me and Akash, we used to meet up every week for cricket, and so I have to tell you this. I don't know, Akash, sorry for saying this, but so we were playing cricket. I was on strike, he was on non-strike. I don't know why I took that run, but I took that run, which put Akash in like a risky spot. So he dove, and his ligament tore that day.
Oh my God! Really? Okay. When did this happen?
This happened like a month before COVID.
Okay, recently. Yeah.
I mean, like probably in Feb. Yep, when things were fine.
So did he blame you for that?
No.
No? Okay.
He's such a nice guy.
Nice guy, yeah. That's sweet. Anything else?
Few things I don't know if I could say it out. So it's gonna end it there.
Okay, no problem. All right. Thank you so much, Meghamsh. It was really lovely talking to you.
Thank you.
And I really hope that you work in a lot of movies, get a lot of offers. So I'm not gonna let you go empty-handed. I have something for you. So
Oh, wow.
a gift for you. So you said that you love working out and you are really a healthy guy. So this is our brand partner Inner Being. So healthy, gluten-free, organic food for you. I hope you like it.
This looks really organic.
Yeah, it is. So after you work out, you can make some healthy dishes for
So I know
yourself.
what I'm going to eat for the next few days.
Yeah.
Thank you for this.
Thank you
And,
so much.
Thanks to Unseen Talks for having me here.
Our pleasure.
It's been so long since I've connected with my dad's fans, and with you I've got an
Your fans as
opportunity
well.
to- Only actually dad's fans.
Yeah.
So yes, thank you again.
Thank you so much.
I had a lot of fun.
Me too. Thank you so much. Yeah.